Here is class employee. It has a name and salary. I create a list with 3 employees and I want to sort the employees alphabetically. What happens when I run this code? I get an error. Python does not know how to compare employees with other employees. In this video you learn why Python gives this error message and how to allow your class instances to be sorted. Before I can show the solution, I have to explain the error message you see here. Why does Python need the less than operator in your class instances? Let's forget about employees for a moment. Here is a regular list of names. What needs to happen to sort this list? The sorted function creates a new list that adds string Vera. It then proceeds with Chuck and checks if Chuck should be inserted before Vera. Since strings do support the less than operator, Python will compare the 2 strings like this. You can try this out yourself by typing this code. If you do try it out, write the result in the comments and tell me why you think was printed. So Chuck is inserted before Vera and the sorted function proceeds with Dave. Dave is compared with Chuck. Should Dave be inserted before Chuck? No, it does not. Dave will now be compared with the next element in the sorted list, which is Vera. Should Dave be inserted before the name Vera? The answer is yes. Dave is inserted between Chuck and Vera. The list is now sorted. I simplified the process a little bit, and if you want to learn more about how Python implements sorting, you can check out Timsorting. Link is in the description. But for this video, it is enough to know that sorting in Python requires objects to be compared with each other by checking if an object is less than another object. So what does this mean for my employee object? There should be some way that employee object A can check if it is less than employee object B. For this I use dunder less than. I've added dunder less than to the employee class. And look at this code. You already know that strings can be compared with the less than operator and that the result of such comparisons is true or false. The employee dunder less than method will now return this result when employee objects are compared. I create a list of employees again and sort them. Finally, I iterate sorted employees and print each element. And what is the result? Look at the output. The employees are sorted by name. And that's all for this video. For more Python tutorials, click one of my other videos. Thanks for watching.